Hi, this is the Redmi 13C and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, we should open the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And after that we could see information about our battery temperature. In my case that's 32.5 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, Android version and more other info. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.